Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be discussing how to get a refund on Uber Eats. So, did you ever missed an item or wrong order or any cold food on Uber Eats? Don't worry, I'll show you the real method on how to get a refund. Simply, I'm on my laptop, but simply open the Uber app on your mobile, find find the order with the issue and tap on it. On here, I'll show you just go on the downside of the screen on your mobile, just click get help and get on here and you can search your order and you can report any issue over here. So there is any missing item, any incorrect order, any food quality issues. Depending on the issue, Uber Eats may offer a full or partial refund or Uber Eats credit for future orders. Refund usually takes 1 to 5 business days to process. And be honest, Uber Eats reviews refund requests, so don't abuse the system. Frequent false claims can get your system flagged. So, getting a refund on Uber Eats is easy if you follow these steps. If the app doesn't help, contact Uber Eats support for assistance. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.